Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about another Java problem, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my Visual Studio, right? This is my Visual Studio. So here you have to create a new file called duplicate in array.java, right? Yeah. So the problem is find whether there is duplicate element in the array or not, right? So this is the problem statement, right? This is the problem statement. So now the example is, for example, if we have n is equal to 5, right? N is equal to 5, and I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, right? So here see, the first element is 1 and the last element is 1. So we are having the duplicate element, right? Duplicate element, like one number is repeating multiple times. So that is nothing but a duplicate element. So we are having the duplicate element in the array. So we have to return true. Or if it is not there, you have to return, or else you have to return false, right? You have to return false. I hope you understand, right? So if n is equal to 5 and we have the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and in the array 1 is repeating multiple times, so it is a duplicate element. 1 is a duplicate element. So we are finding a duplicate element in the array, so you have to return true. If you don't find any duplicate element, for example, if I write 5 here, so there is no duplicate element in the array, right? So then you have to print false. So this is the problem statement. I hope you understand, right? So now I will write the code. So first of all, I have to write import java.util.star, right? So after that, I have to write main function, which is public static void main string args right? So open it, right? So I'll write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, right? After that, I have to write int n is equal to sc dot next int. So we have to write an array is equal to new int of size n, right? I hope you understand. So we have written scanner and we have written n and we have written the array, right? So then you have to return the for loop, right? Which I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Then you have to open the for loop and you have to write air of I is equal to sc dot next int. So I hope you understand. So for this for loop is to read the values. This for loop is to read the values, right? So after that, so I'll write if function of ARR is equal to true, right? Then I will return true, right? Or else I have to return false, right? I have to return false. So what I have written, if function, so this is my function, so that I have to declare on the top of the main function, right? Then I have to check by taking this array whether is there any array which is like is there any element which is duplicate in the array or not. So if it is true, I have to print true. If it is false, I have to print false, right? So this is the function. fun is a function, right? So now we have to declare a function. So below the class, you have to write public static, and return type is you have to return true or false, right? So that's why we have to use boolean function and int error, right? So in this way you have to open the function, right? Int error. Okay. I like this. Okay. Just close this thing. So here I'll traverse on the array. I will traverse on the array by using for loop which I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length, right? Right? So see here, in the previous class, in the previous classes, so we have moved n and arr in the function, right? But now see, we only moved arr only. We have left the n because we know we can write arr dot length. So in place of n, we can write arr dot length. So there is no need to send the n to the fun function, right? I hope you understand. So we have sent only arr. In the previous video, we have sent arr and the n, right? But we know arr of that length will give the n value only. So that's why I'm giving only arr, and here we are using that arr dot length and I plus plus. And here I will write another for loop j is equal to I plus plus because I have to check the next element, right? And I have to traverse until end of the array, which is arr dot length, and j plus plus. So if I have to write if arr of I is equal to arr of j, then I have to return true, right? We will find the duplicate element, or otherwise you have to come here. If you don't find anything, then you have to return false, right? Simple. So I hope you understand this program, right? So what I have done, so I have just read the values of the array and I'm checking with the if function. So if statement, I'm giving the function fun and I'm passing the arr, which is array. If it is true, like if this function is what doing, it is checking whether you are having the duplicate elements in the array or not. It will check. If you find, it will give return true, or otherwise it will return false, right? So if it is written true, so then it is written true, then you have to print true, or otherwise you have to print false, right? I hope you understand. So let's run this program. Just click on F5. first I have to give 5, and after that I have to give 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and click on enter. So see here, we got true. We got true because we are having two ones here. We are having two ones here. So which is duplicate element, right? And click on F5 again, and we will try to execute another values. I'll give 5 here, and I'll give 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. See here, 2 is repeating 2 times, right? So it is having the duplicate element. Click on enter, it will get in true, right? And click on F5 again, and I will give 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is no duplicate element, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is no duplicate element in the array. Then just click on enter now. Then you will get false, right? I hope you understand this program, right? So that's it, guys. So if you find any difficulties in this program, just please come to the chat. I'll definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.